Hello dear friends, you probably wanted to upload one of your videos on Instagram or TikTok, but it's necessary to convert it vertically before that. The problem starts here. If you have a moving object in the video, you have to spend a lot of time manually keeping it in the frame. There is a better way for this: Smart Reframe. First, go to the Cut tab and select the resolution you want. Click on this button. As you can see, our resolution is Full HD. By choosing Portrait, the frame is suitable for Instagram and TikTok. You can also enter your desired resolution by selecting Custom Timeline Settings. Then set the resolution you want and click OK. Now go to the Edit tab and from the Video tab, select Smart Reframe and click Reframe. As you can see, the result is really good. If you are not satisfied with the results or you want a specific object to be followed, just set Object of Interest on Reference Point. A rectangle appears in the Viewer section. If not, activate it from here or here. Then place it on the desired object and click on Reframe. It's better that the desired object is not too small or faded and has a good contrast. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Goodbye.